Yung ano, kasi dito lang sa Canada ko
Yeah.
na-enjoy, at the same time yung sa charitable donations.
Okay.
Okay? So the first time I was reassessed because
Mhm.
of that uh, donations.
Mhm.
So, ayun, parang sabi ko, bakit? Buti na lang lahat I have receipts. So, yun. Ganun pala. The more you give ng mga donations na nako-question para sa kanila, bakit ganito, ganyan, parang malaki for them. And then when I give supporting documents, all cleared. Kaya natuwa ako na nakapag-donate na ako at the same time, meron pa siyang credits, tax credits.
That's
So,
correct.
yeah. Yun yung
Very good.
tatandaan ko lagi. And masarap, pag may refund, ang bilis ng refund. O, di ba?
Di ba?